scientists and colleagues. I am Ezra Fatung, and as you can see, for today, I am trying out this new experiment. That's right, it's a creative and innovative idea that which I can believe can be very beneficial towards the young minds of students everywhere. That's right. This experiment that I'm working on inventing is called super concentrated Fanta quantum matrix formula. That's right. You heard it here, folks. Super concentrated Fanta quantum matrix formula. Wubba lubba dub dub. What is this? What is this, you ask? Well, I believe it's a drink that'll guarantee to boost one's IQ. Nah, guys, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is just for fun. All right, but seeing as I'm getting ready and excited to proceed with this innovative idea, I just need to look through the list of ingredients. For starters, we have like half a bottle full of Fanta, and I already put ice in it, and it's dessert, and the ice is already dissolved into the Fanta. Then I have two cups with the exact measurement of 8 centimeters. The first cup is full of the mango and orange juice, while the second cup is full of regular water. Then I have some sugar and some salt. Some sugar, and I have some salt right here. And I've got this cocoa powder. That's right, guys, we have cocoa powder, and that's not all. We also have vanilla extract and some milk. And we don't mind. These are the 2 spoons, aka we already have the following tools we need to make this exciting science experiment. So for starters, today we're making the super concentrated Fanta quantum matrix formula, a drink so powerful that it'll tinker your neurons across dimensions. Behold, the foundation of a genius, classic Fanta, already cooled to quantum perfection. Thermal stability is very crucial. Now, next thing we gotta do. Now, the next thing we gotta do is to now add the exotic mango orange extract, natural, delicious, and scientifically perfect. For all 8 centimeters, dude, we are not holding back. Next up, we're adding sugar. That's right, 1 tablespoon of sugar add to the bottle. Wait, sorry, I meant teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of sugar to the bottle. Sweet energy infusion, very important for the frontal cortex. Do not skip this. Do not skip this, ladies and gentlemen. You're actually going to need this. This is the sugar. Next up, we're gonna add the salt. That's right. We're gonna add a tiny pinch of salt, which is like half a tablespoon. So in conclusion, electrolyte enhancement, hydration is key. Focus is key. Very key. That's right. This is very key. This is very key, Morty. Now, vanilla extract. Now, we add the vanilla extract. Next up. All right. Next we have is the optional catalyst. Wait, what is happening? I'll just use a teaspoon. Okay. That's too small. No, it's too big. Alright, 1 drop of vanilla extract. Optional catalyst and essence vanilla extract to confuse the genius molecules. Then a pinch of catalyst for the dramatic effect. And then finally, a small teaspoon of yogurt. Well, we don't have actual yogurt, so we're going to use milk instead. And the instructions did say a small teaspoon of milk, so that's right, milk. It's very important. A small teaspoon of milk. There. Next, we gotta add as the optional water. Yep, this is the 2nd cup of actual water. Action. We need to pour 2 centimeters into the bottle. So I might need to actually get a ruler so I can be able to measure exactly when it's centimeters. All right, as you can see, I'm using this glass and grabbing a ruler so I can use it to measure when it's actually centimeters so that I can know when it's enough. Yeah, I went over centimeters. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that already? Oh, no. Yeah, I should probably close that. All right, you know what? We'll close that. All right, sorry about the delay. Just had to clean up a few, just had to clean up a few messes I made along the way. So yeah, I'm gonna pour the water. I'm gonna measure the exact meters with this here ruler so I can tell if the amount is enough. Might need a little more. Mm-hmm. Exactly 2 meters. Pour 2 meters into the bottle. Dilution factor engage. Balance the quantum matrix. Precision is everything, Morty. Let me quickly get rid of that. Where's the bottle lid? Now that we're done adding all the appropriate amount of ingredients, what we're going to do is to close the bottle very tightly. Then, once we're done closing the bottle, we're going to have to shake it clockwise 7 times and vigorously 15 seconds. Wait. Shake clockwise. Okay, we've closed the bottle tightly. Now we're gonna shake it vigorously. Okay, we're gonna close tight, then shake the bottle 7 times. Now the critical phase. The genius molecules aligning, IQ levels rising. Shake clockwise, Morty. Clockwise. Now we'll shake vigorously. There we go. I shook it for 15 seconds. Now let it sit for 30 seconds while it swirls. Patience. Molecules need to activate very excellent discovery. Okay, now that we're done waiting 30 seconds, now for the final one. Now we're going to take one small sip. Whoa! Neurons firing across every lobe, Morty. This is brilliance condensed into liquid form. Wobble up a dub dub! I did it! That's right. This is highly classified, interdimensional. Do not attempt unless you want to be very, 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 very smart, or at least look like you are. And that's it. Wobble up a dub dub. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for watching this very exciting science experiment. Now I'm gonna put this one in the fridge so it can cool so it can cool down. All right, this is Ezra Fatong signing out. See you later. See you later, colleagues and nerds. Goodbye.